Have you ever wished there was a simple, natural way to keep your skin looking youthful, your joints free from pain, and your body energized as you age? Imagine being able to slow down the effects of time, not with expensive creams or painful procedures, but with something as simple as what you put on your plate or add to your daily routine. Today, I'm about to reveal 6 powerful plants that science and tradition agree can naturally boost your collagen production, improve your skin's elasticity, and reduce joint pain. Trust me, you don't want to miss this, because these are not exotic or hard-to-find remedies. They may already be in your kitchen or just one trip to the market away. But before we dive into these secrets from nature, let me ask you, have you already subscribed to this channel? If not, take just a moment now. Hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and stay with me until the end of this video. Because not only will you learn about 6 collagen-boosting plants, but I'll also share exactly how you can include them in your meals and daily routine for maximum effect. And in the comments, I'd love for you to tell me which of these plants you already use, or which one you're most excited to try. Now let's begin. As we age, something crucial starts to happen inside our bodies. Collagen, the protein that acts like the scaffolding of our skin, joints, hair, and even our digestive system, begins to decline. In fact, by the time you reach your 50s, your body may be producing less than half the collagen it did in your 20s. And what does this mean? Wrinkles become deeper, skin loses its firmness, hair becomes thinner, nails more brittle, and joints start aching. For many people, it feels like the body is betraying them. But here's the good news. Nature provides us with powerful allies that help stimulate collagen production and protect the collagen we already have. The first plant may surprise you, because it's often thought of only as a kitchen herb. Basil. Basil is not just a fragrant leaf you sprinkle over pasta. It's a collagen-friendly powerhouse. Basil contains antioxidants called flavonoids that protect your skin cells from oxidative stress, the very thing that accelerates aging. On top of that, it's rich in vitamin C, which is absolutely essential for collagen synthesis. Without vitamin C, your body cannot form collagen properly. And basil doesn't stop there. With its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, it helps maintain clear, healthy skin, preventing infections or irritations that can make you look older. Imagine adding fresh basil to your salads, blending it into a green smoothie, or even preparing a homemade basil tea. Each small serving is like a natural shield for your skin and joints. The second plant is spinach, a true nutritional champion. Spinach is loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, iron, and powerful antioxidants. Together, these nutrients not only fuel collagen production but also protect existing collagen fibers from breaking down. Vitamin A helps with cell renewal, meaning your skin regenerates more efficiently. Vitamin C, again, provides the building blocks for collagen, and vitamin E acts as a defender, guarding your cells from free radical damage. A handful of spinach in your daily diet can make a big difference. Add it to a smoothie, saute it with garlic and olive oil, or mix it into an omelet. Every serving is like a mini rejuvenation treatment for your skin and joints. The third plant is not just a plant, but a fruit you may already love. Acerola, also known as Barbados cherry. This tiny fruit is a collagen booster like no other. Did you know that acerola contains up to 30 times more vitamin C than an orange? Yes, 30 times. That makes it one of the richest sources of natural vitamin C in the world. When you consume acerola, you're not just fueling collagen production, you're supercharging it. Vitamin C doesn't only build collagen, it also protects your skin from UV damage and helps maintain elasticity, giving your face that natural glow. Try acerola juice or blend the fresh fruit into smoothies. It's like drinking liquid youth. The fourth plant on our list is turmeric, often called golden spice. Turmeric is famous for its anti-inflammatory properties, and its secret weapon is a compound called curcumin. This compound reduces chronic inflammation, which is often at the root of collagen breakdown and joint pain. But curcumin also acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your collagen from oxidative damage, while stimulating your body to create new fibers. To make curcumin even more effective, combine turmeric with a pinch of black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, which increases the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. Imagine the benefits. You can add turmeric to your soups, rice, smoothies, or even enjoy it in the famous golden milk. Warm milk with turmeric, honey, and pepper. Not only is it soothing, but it's also healing at a cellular level. The fifth plant is horsetail, a lesser-known but extremely powerful herb. Horsetail is rich in silicon, a mineral absolutely essential for collagen formation. Silicon is what strengthens connective tissues, keeping your skin elastic, your hair shiny, and your nails strong. In fact, silicon deficiency can lead to brittle nails, hair loss, and sagging skin. Drinking horsetail tea regularly is a simple yet powerful way to provide your body with this mineral and give your collagen the raw materials it needs. Many people notice not only improved skin elasticity, but also stronger hair and nails after a few weeks of consistent use. And finally, the sixth plant, one of the most famous in the world of natural remedies, aloe vera, or as many people call it, the plant of immortality. Aloe vera is truly one of nature's most complete gifts for skin and overall health. Its gel is packed with vitamins A, C, and E, amino acids, and polysaccharides. When applied to the skin, aloe vera stimulates collagen production, deeply hydrates, and reduces wrinkles, scars, and even dark spots. It also helps protect your skin from sun damage. But aloe vera is not only for external use. When consumed as a juice, it supports digestive health, soothes gastritis, and even helps fight infections like Helicobacter pylori. Aloe vera works both from the outside in and the inside out, making it a holistic collagen booster. Now let me ask you, which of these 6 plants do you already use? Basil, spinach, acerola, turmeric, horsetail, or aloe vera? Or maybe none yet? Don't worry if you're just getting started. You don't need to use them all at once. Start by introducing 1 or 2 into your routine. For example, a morning smoothie with spinach and acerola, or a soothing evening tea with horsetail and turmeric. Over time, you'll notice not only improvements in your skin and joints, but also a boost in your overall energy and vitality. Remember, collagen isn't only about beauty. Yes, it makes your skin look firmer and younger, but it also supports your bones, cartilage, muscles, and digestive system. Without enough collagen, even everyday movements can feel stiff or painful. By supporting your body naturally with these plants, you're not just enhancing your appearance, you're preserving your health and independence as you age. If you've made it this far in the video, that tells me you're serious about your health. So here's a quick challenge. In the next 7 days, pick one of these plants and commit to using it daily. Maybe add fresh basil to your meals, or try aloe vera gel on your skin. Notice how your body responds, and when you see changes, come back here and share your experience in the comments. You might inspire someone else who's watching. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap. Basil protects your skin and supports collagen synthesis with its antioxidants and vitamin C. Spinach provides a cocktail of vitamins and antioxidants to regenerate your skin and joints. Acerola supercharges collagen production with its incredibly high vitamin C content. Turmeric, with its curcumin, reduces inflammation and protects collagen from damage. Horsetail supplies silicon, the mineral your body needs to build strong collagen fibers. And aloe vera, both inside and out, hydrates, heals, and stimulates collagen while improving your digestion and overall health. These are not miracle cures. They are gifts of nature, waiting for you to include them in your life. Combined with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and good sleep, they can make a visible and tangible difference. Now, before you go, don't forget to take action. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. It really helps the channel grow. Make sure you're subscribed and that you've clicked the notification bell so you never miss the latest natural health tips we share here. And most importantly, share this video with your friends or family. Someone you love may be struggling with joint pain or aging skin, and these simple plants could be the natural support they've been waiting for. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. Take care of your body, nourish it with the gifts of nature, and it will reward you with health, vitality, and beauty at any age. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and stay radiant. Bye-bye.